Alright guys, welcome to today's video. I'm actually starting a video from here today. This is this place, a really very busy place. Southgate over here. Southgate, going all the way like that. So this is where we are vlogging from. We're starting our vlog today. This is Lusaka City today. That's the vlogs that I do every single month. So over here where these buses are actually coming from, they're in this is called Kulima Tower. So this is the bus station called Kulima Tower. Kulima Tower, it's a very busy area. Yeah, but we are starting our video from here today. Let's walk around, show you how Lusaka CBD looks like today. Okay. So the other bus is actually parked here. You see? This is the entrance to that's the entrance to Kulima Tower bus station. There's an Airtel shop over here. There's an EFC right over there. Alright guys, so today's vlog is a beautiful vlog. It's sunny today, so yes guys, I'm just vlogging you around here. And over there it's Hungry Lion. So Hungry Lion is actually the sister company to ShopRite. So they are a fast food company. So that's the one there in red and white. All right, let's continue walking, vlogging around, showing you guys how it is here in Lusaka City. Yes guys, let's go. Right. It's very noisy in the town. Very noisy here in the CBD of Lusaka. So this is the Lusaka City Council's truck that is picking up rubbish. This is a green one. Alright guys. Welcome to today's vlog, Lusaka today guys, where I simply walk you around the town. Now this is the reason I was walking right on the middle, because now you can see other bus drivers are parking right where pedestrians are supposed to be walking. Alright guys, remember guys, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I post a video, you guys won't miss any single of my upload. Okay, so like the video and subscribe if you just bumped into our channel today. Okay, this is the big unfinished building. This one over here. Take a look. This. All right. Okay. This one is actually what we call Katonda Street. This one over here, this street, going this way. Katonda Street. And then City Market is right on the other side. Okay. Hey, let's see. On this side, I want to show you guys this building. The unfinished building. There's some works, you know, some works that have been done. Some good works, progressive works actually. So let's walk this side, we'll show you how it is. Lusaka Chemist is over there. Lusaka Chemist and Lusaka Pharmacy and Karibu Pharmaceuticals, they are sister companies. These ones here. So they are sister companies, Lusaka Pharmacy, Lusaka Chemist. And you can see that vehicle is branded with Rick Ross, because Rick Ross, the American rapper, will be coming to Zambia. I don't know when, I don't know where he'll be performing. Even though I have heard that the entry fees are way too high. Like ordinary is about 20,000 kwacha, which is about 1,000, I think about 1,000 US dollars. Okay. And VIP, there's 200,000 kwacha, which is quite a lot of money. Yeah. Let me pick this because somebody's calling. Hello? Good, how are you, sir? No, you can talk. No, I don't remember. Alright guys, so we are right in the CBD of Lusaka here, and this is the Regent College, one of the early colleges, like the first colleges in Zambia. It's right in town. You can see the Regent College Limited. Alright, but let's walk you to this other side. This other side, guys. That is a clothing factory, City Clothing Factory. It's an old business, very genuine clothes which they sell there. We are into they make good fabrics. They sew good quality clothes. Oh guys, you can see how packed it is. Buses everywhere on these roads. You see? This is town. This is the Lusaka CBD. Oh. Alright guys, a very busy day today. At the time of recording this video, this is actually the 14th of April 2026. So Monday, let's say Tuesday actually. Tuesday. So I'm vlogging you around, showing you how Lusaka looks like today. A beautiful city. A beautiful city in Zambia. Beautiful city. Okay, selling some fridges. So ahead of me is the city center. City center. There is a market over here. This is Limbanda, guys. Limbanda. Some of you that are into farming would actually remember Limbanda over here. Let me see where it's written Limbanda over there. And, this is town center. On this side, this is town center. So you can see here they sell different things, guys. Gensets, second hand. Yeah. Okay, so this is how it is. It's like that today. So these shops are actually lying outside the town center. Outside the town center. There's another entrance to the town center, over the town center market over here. Yes, guys. Alright guys, I'm ending my video from here today. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys. It really helps. And yeah, always like the videos when I post. It really helps. So see you in my next one. Bye. Take care of yourselves.